Yes, yes, yes. Welcome to Cyber Safety Net. Stay safe online. Today's a special episode. What you do on vacation? My name is Anthony Germanos, and I'm reporting to you today from the Royal Caribbean Navigator of the Seas, which calls the Port of Los Angeles its home. Here are 3 tips to help you have a safe vacation in the cybersecurity world. Number 1, do not tell the internet you're on vacation until after you get home. The internet is full of stories of people who told the internet they were on vacation, then they came home and found their homes were burglarized, and they asked, why? Well, it happened because they told the internet they were on vacation, and burglars said, now is a good time to go burglarize that home. My advice, wait until after you get home, then tell the internet you're on vacation, then post all the photos, then present a summary. For me, this vacation is running March 9 through 19, 2023. I won't be publishing this video until after I get home, after the 19th. Number 2, use one charge card. I'm using this, my REI MasterCard, exclusively. Usually it sits in a drawer, but I'm using it exclusively on this trip. The other cards that I use to manage my personal and professional lives are sitting in my wallet, and I have not touched them in over a week. The reason for this is that when I get home and I look at this statement for this, all the charges will be from the vacation March 9 through 19, and they'll be from Long Beach, Royal Caribbean, or Burbank. If there are any word charges, it'll be easy to spot them, and then of course protest them. Number 3 is do not use internet when you're on the boat. I'm on the Royal Caribbean Navigator of the Seas. A lot of people here are using the internet. I'm not a fan of it. And it's partly because you don't know who else is on the same internet. It's a public Wi-Fi. And number 2 is they're charging $8 a day. I'm not a fan of that. If you're in the middle of the ocean and you have to pay $8 a day for internet, then you can never escape. You can never escape the internet. Not even hopping on a cruise ship and going to the middle of the ocean will help you escape the internet. You're too far gone. I'm sorry. So let's wrap this up. When you're on vacation, number 1, do not tell the internet you're on vacation until after you get home. Number 2, use one charge card. That way it'll be easier to spot fraudulent charges. Number 3, do not hop on the public Wi-Fi, even if it's on your cruise ship, because you don't know who else is on the public Wi-Fi. Anthony Germanos, I hope you have a safe and fun vacation this year.